First I'm creating proxy part. Proxy is called library approx, है ना. चलिए library, this is proxy library. Now proxy library class name defined as a proxy, and Marshall Baer ref object is a base class for this proxy class. Correct? Now you can define any function, depend your requirement, right? 1 or 2 and anything else. You can also communicate with database, but it's enough. Correct? Okay. So first you can define here like a public int square int x return x multiply x, or another application you can define it like calculator इंटीजर चॉइस भी डिफाइन कर सकते हैं चाहें तो. केस 1 रिटर्न x प्लस y, केस 2 रिटर्न x माइनस y, केस 3 रिटर्न x मल्टीप्लाई y, केस 4 return x divide y, and default return 0 is correct. Enough? Okay. Now our proxy application is ready. Just compile your code. This solution is used for just check your application. In your application error is prompt or not. अगर आपने ये यूज किया सिर्फ आपको एरर प्रॉम्प्ट करेगा और कुछ नहीं करेगा. Another way, this rebuild proxy library is create DLL. Just use it, और अब आपकी DLL बन चुकी है. Close it. It is enough. Now create another application. Project. Again console application, because I am right now creating a one application is called server application. Correct? Server application. Now for server application we define here some namespace using system.runtime dot remoting dot channel dot channel name also, but here is not defined channel name, so you required one more DLL reference in your application. Just add your DLL reference, go to reference, add reference, go to library, name is system.net system dot runtime, yes, system dot runtime dot remoting, this namespace required, right? So this library is included in your application. Another one more library, गो टू ब्राउज, बिकॉज हमने जो DLL बनाई उसके भी लाइब्रेरी चाहिए ना, हमें कॉपी लेके आनी कि लोकल कॉपी, राइट? सो गो टू ब्राउज, फाइंड प्रॉक्सी लाइब्रेरी, bin folder debug, and this is proxy library.dll, add it and okay. Right now it's correct, reference add हो गया है. अब देखो channel dot, we have number of protocol, now using proxy library namespace, I think, yeah, it is correct. Now your first HTTP channel, define here port number, port number 4545, anything else, register channel services dot register channel HTTP, and another option is false because I'm not using IIS server. Without IIS server we can execute this application. I can't require IIS server because this is remoting application, right? Actually IIS server only required for like web, but this application is not web, right? Okay, right now define here remoting configuration dot get register well-known service type, or register well-known service type, register well-known service type, yes. So in this function we pass some argument, because we pass here 3 arguments. First is proxy class, second one is password for client, and third one is communication mode, right? So first going to class type of, and class always defined with type of. Now class name is I think proxy, yeah, is it proxy, and password is pass123, I think. Anything else define here. Now well known object mode dot singleton or single call. So singleton is best option, correct? Define here. If your application running this line, then your server is activated right now, correct? So define here console.writeLine server is activated. Server is activated. Console.readLine this line is defined for server. Now just check it, this application, execute it. Demand your permission in your system. Now server is activated, correct? Now define some application regarding to client. Go to another application and right now create client application. Of course, in architecture also defined here the different exe. Server is different exe and client is different exe, and we use here library proxy. Proxy is a library. Of course. Is it possible? But right now we are using here single machine, but is it possible you can use different machine also with IP address? Simple. Right now I'm creating client application. Client application. Here is also required yeah, of course required. All namespace is required here also. First add two reference in your client application also, DLL, and same to same your DLL name is proxy library, correct? And another is system.dll here, system.remoting.runtime.remoting, yeah, this, correct? Okay, again use here using system.runtime dot remoting dot channel HTTP. Now yeah, okay. Namespace is I think proxy library, correct? Now use here right now this is client machine, so required here activator class. So what the role of activator class? Actually activator just go to server machine and take the services. So activator class, this is activator class. Activator dot get object method. Without, if you can get the permission, then define your password also with IP address. Complete. Of course. But if you have proper password, provide from server machine, then you can access that service. Correct? Like first object is type of, like in which object you can access. So proxy object we can access. I think proxy class है. One minute. Proxy library dot, no, I think proxy class ही है. And another URL. Now what is URL? Given the object name http colon slash, and here we using here localhost, otherwise you can use here IP address. Correct? Colon 4545, that is the port number. And another define here password, and password is I think PAWS 123. Of course, right? Machine name or IP address both are applicable है. Sorry, type of is a one type of operator is only access a class name. In last time we can also use here this type of keyword in reflection. Of course, actually right now this is client, and client automatically change your class name. It's a depend on server, but server machine they have same name proxy, but here just change your class name automatically because it's an internal work. Wait, sometime wait. Right now get object is written one object, but that object is only class. So right now this is written type object, this written type converting in proxy class. This is typecast I think. Now proxy class is handling this type of service. Correct? Of course. Now if PR is not equal to null, then PR is equal to null, then console.writeLine server is busy, just show the message. Otherwise you can use that service PR dot. We have two method here. One is square, one method is coming. I think कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया. हाँ, स्क्वायर में एक बार इनपुट कर लेते हैं कुछ वैल्यू. मैंने डाला 5. नाउ 5 रिटर्न करेगा इंटीजर वैल्यू, मतलब रिजल्ट. Then console.writeLine result is square is now. When we execute that client application, then should be compulsory your server is activated. If your server is down, then how can retrieve that service? Something is missing. One minute. two class, one is server. Our class name is proxy. Okay, proxy is running. Sorry, I'm taking some again reference from browse. Go to browse, because I think that application is not proper. This is proxy library, bin folder, proxy library. Last time I used different library, but that library is same name in your application. That confused our object also, because I'm just, my statement is is similar to that. When we use link queue, then on that time internally automatically our class name is also changed. So I'm going to that statement. So my statement is wrong last time. Right now your class name is same, is internally is not changed, right? Just update your information. Because if your reference is something wrong, then your application is also something wrong. Of course, actually in my list we have number of proxy library application. So I think use earlier version of library application. So they have defined only one function. It's similar to that. But right now we using here a two function. One is square, like that square, and another is calculator. Yeah, is coming right now. Correct? Okay, so square is input some value. Input some value. If you can take from the user, then take the value. Static int get value. Get enter value. Write enter value. Return console.read line. Int.pass. Right now use here get value. Correct? Okay, one minute. Integer console.write line. dot calculator also. Get value. Correct? Okay. So this is some property, simple property. Just use it again and again. So we using here one property and use for 4 times, right? Nothing else. In my application also here, and again we using here 3 times, right? So just input, execute this application, enter the value first for square, right? So just enter 5, square is 25. It's regarding to your server application. Correct? Again input here, first value like 200, second value 10, and now demand here choice like my choice is 3, then your result is 2000 because 200 multiply 10, a result is 2000 because our second option is calculator, right? First is square मतलब 5 multiply 5. Actually architecture is running here. First we define here proxy. Proxy is related to your Marshall by ref object. It's different, right? Now we have two application. One is server application, and another is client, right? Client side just send the request on server. When we have a one local copy of the DLL in client.
So both sides we have DLL.
Of course.
So now whenever we are posting the request,
But if we have DLL, that DLL is not working automatically. It's a depend on because is sharing Marshall by ref object class, because this class is just prevent the access permission for client, is provide the facility to server side.
so this application running on the client side.
Of course,
How we know that server is used or not?
because if your server is going to send a request, but how can send a request? You have IP address of server, you have your password, then you can this. If your password is matched, then you can get that service. Otherwise, you cannot access this service. It's simple one.
So what you actually did in your application is to tell about the configuration.
So exactly using of cannot.
In our application, first we define here remoting configuration. Remoting configuration class is create one services, right? If you have a number of user, if you have a number of client, then every client they take different service. So how can define that? Now we define here number of reporting service. The number of remoting service different. Like मेरे पास यहाँ पे रिमोटिंग कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हुआ, we have three पैरामीटर आर्गुमेंट, हमने क्या क्या पास किया, टाइप ऑफ प्रॉक्सी. मैंने जो रिमोटिंग कॉन्फ़िगरेशन बनाई, ध्यान रखिएगा, मैंने वहाँ पे क्या पास किया, प्रॉक्सी. अब मान लो मेरा क्लाइंट 1 है, क्लाइंट 1 required one some function, right? That some function is related to your proxy. Another one client is required division, then another we also create another proxy. Right now we require here another proxy. That proxy related to another remoting configuration. अब ये दूसरी प्रॉक्सी है, प्रॉक्सी 2 मान लो, ये प्रॉक्सी 1, प्रॉक्सी 2.
अगर मान लीजिए दो क्लाइंट हो तो एक के साथ रिक्वेस्ट कर सकता है.
It's not possible. नहीं.
Sir, what you want is
One minute. If I have two clients, so my requirement is this: remoting, configuration, dot service well known. क्या था? Method name is service well known service type. I think है ना? Register well known service type. Well known service type. And we have three arguments here. One is type of is operator, is using only that library file. We have two files here, like proxy 1, and another is proxy 2.
two DLL.
Of course, we have two DLL if we have two clients, right? So I'm defining here proxy 1. पासवर्ड इज proxy 1 के लिए पासवर्ड डिफरेंट है, proxy 2 के लिए पासवर्ड डिफरेंट है, बिकॉज वी हैव डिफरेंट यूजर ना, तो ऑब्वियसली पासवर्ड भी डिफरेंट बना हुआ है। मैं स्टैटिक दे रहा हूं, बट आप जनरेट करवा लो, यूजर से डिमांड कर लो, राइट? Now another third option is communication mode. You can define single call or singleton. आप पे डिपेंड करता है कि ये ऑब्जेक्ट सिंगलटन काम करे या सिंगल कॉल काम करे। ये आपने डिफाइन कर दिया, दो ऑप्शन हो गए मेरे पास इस तरह से। Now we have two clients. One client is required this type of service. Another client required another service. Use it. ये क्लाइंट पासवर्ड डालेगा, मैच करेगा, तो कॉल करेगा। अगर उस क्लाइंट ने ऊपर वाले को दे दी सर्विस तो मैच नहीं कर रहा, पासवर्ड किसी और का मैच कर रहा है, तो कैसे जाएगा? Is not get the service.
सर क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऐसा दिख रहा है ना, सिर्फ क्लाइंट से तो नहीं,
आपको
सर्वर का नहीं
नहीं
नहीं पता चल रहा है कि सर्वर बिजी है कि खाली क्या है, पता नहीं चल रहा।
No. आपको सिर्फ कुछ नहीं करना है। If your server is shut down, then your message also populate in your application. Server is busy. आप पे डिपेंड करता है, मैंने क्या मैसेज दिया कि सर्वर बिजी है। अब सर्वर शट डाउन है क्या है वो नहीं बताया ना।
अरे वो उसमें सर्वर नहीं।
नहीं, वो डिपेंड करता है कि हम कैसे शो करेंगे। सर्वर साइड
सर इसको मतलब सर्वर से क्या करें? सर्वर से एक्टिवेट हो गया।
server is verify your request. Server is handling all the requests. सर्वर अगर रिक्वेस्ट हैंडल नहीं करेगा तो फिर आपको सर्विस कम मिलेगी। एक्चुअली your client is not executed itself first. Why? It's a reason. मैंने पहले बोला था आपके पास लोकल कॉपी है but you cannot access this copy. Sorry? Locking? No. Locking system is required, but if you can manage in server side, client side is not required, right? If you have number of 1,000, 1 lakh, then you can manage all the requests in here.
So I understand that you are saying that server side provides service.
Okay.
But in your application, what is the use of service side?
Server side.
Yeah. I know.
Actually, server side is the main part. That is only machine. That is only dump machine. Is only like remotely. Like we have CDMA mobile. We have CDMA mobile. Just we have CDMA mobile. हाँ CDMA mobile. Correct है? मैं काम कर सकता हूँ. But आपको पता है कि अगर सर्वर बंद होगा तो is it possible to communicate that? No, ना. It directly impact the server. Actually में सर्वर ही सब कुछ कर रहा है. मैं परमिशन किससे ले रहा हूँ? सर्वर से। सिग्नल है। मान के चलो राइस का ये मेन सर्वर है, ये है वेब मशीन रिमोटली सीडीएम में। तो सीडीएम में कम्युनिकेट दिस सर्वर, देन यू कैन टेक दैट सर्विस। दिस सिग्नल है, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिमोटली। पूरा ब्लैकबेरी इसी के बेस पे, इसी आर्किटेक्चर के बेस पर बना हुआ है। करेक्ट है?
So I was assuming that you are doing some functions, square and multiplication.
It's a just example, yeah.
I just think you are requesting
No,
for
I'm just defining here like
functions.
nothing. मैं कुछ तो दिखाऊंगा ना फंक्शनलिटी डिफाइन करके। मैंने आपसे बोला पहले कि लास्ट टाइम if you can work with like database and also define here in library, nothing else. अब you can work with like database, so we cannot like write a program here. We write program in here, in this location. Of course. Now you can manage. How can manage multiple users? So we have option. What the option? We can manage multiple class, or we can manage inheritance, single multi-level inheritance, or we can manage multiple interface. So we can define one class and define all the interface. An interface, so that class. अब वो तो उसका कॉन्सेप्ट मैं लास्ट टाइम भी आपको समझाया था कि अगर मान लो मेरे पास 4 यूजर होते हैं तो आप एक क्लास के ऊपर कैसे सर्विसेज दोगे? ये 4 क्लास बनाओगे, मान लो एक को एडिशन चाहिए, एक सब्ट्रैक्शन चाहिए, एक मल्टीप्लिकेशन चाहिए, तो क्या करोगे? We can define 4 class. No, I'm define one class, and we define another 4 interface. Simple. And now our application communicate with interface. Not 2 class. समझ आया? टोप्स की रिक्वायरमेंट कहाँ पड़ती है? Correct? Okay. Now, it's correct. It is a single machine, but you can work this implementation in different machine. तब आपको लॉजिक क्लियर ज़्यादा होगा, राइट? सो लैब में जाके आप एक सर्वर एप्लीकेशन बनाओ, एक क्लाइंट एप्लीकेशन बनाओ और उसे कम्युनिकेट करो. करेक्ट है? अगर आपको चेंज करना तो क्या करेंगे हम? सिर्फ यहाँ पे लोकल होस्ट की बजाय उस सिस्टम का आईपी एड्रेस डिफाइन कर देंगे.
तो सर जब इसी हमने चैटिंग का प्रोग्राम बनाया था सर्वर और क्लाइंट के बीच, तब
चैटिंग का भी बन जाएगा.
तो क्या करें?
कुछ नहीं है. प्रॉक्सी जो बनाई मैंने, प्रॉक्सी को बना के उसकी प्रॉपर्टी बना लेना, गेट और सेट. डेटा स्टोर थोड़ी ना करना कहीं, उधर से डेटा डालेगा, इधर से डेटा दे देना किसी को. ऑफ कोर्स. वन मिनट. If we have any doubt, then you can also communicate client side, server side. You know about 2 classes, activator and remoting configuration. Server side require remoting configuration, and one more, channel services like HTTP channel. If I can change my protocol TCP, then my application on server side just use TCP channel class. According protocol, our class goes to change.
So it comes with this way.
Happen?
like channels protocols.
सर कंप्यूटेशन सिस्टम नहीं रहेगा.
आपकी ये जो URL है, आपको यहाँ पे TCP हो जाएगा.
तो यहाँ नीचे जो हम लिखते हैं कंप्यूटेशन.
अब ये सब कुछ रहेगा सेम. Only your this part will change. एक ऑप्शन है जो हम सर्वर साइड पे यूज किया था हमने लास्ट टाइम. ये just change here that this HTTP channel is required now TCP channel class, and port number is same required in TCP also.
तो चेंज हो जाएगा इसका चैनल में जाना.
Yes. Port number is user defined. आप जैसा चाहो वैसा लिखो. करेक्ट है? Channel register, channel services dot register channel this protocol, this port number and protocol. Wow. Then give the configuration register, value on service type, that is class and password and that communication mode. Server is activated. Stop करके रखा हो. अगर मैं stop राइट यहाँ रीड लाइन नहीं करूँगा तो वो चल के बंद हो जाएगा. क्योंकि कंसोल पे कर रहा हूँ मैं.
हम एकदम स्ट्रेट नहीं यूज करते, प्राइवेट यूज करते.
Because we require here local copy. And Marshall by ref is given a reference, not given to your complete source. Stop it. 1 minute.